Today we'll talk about how can you enable private account on your Lemon app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here, and you just click on it. It's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on privacy. You just click on privacy. It's going to take you to except here. Come here to private account. Click in this sign. So then you click here on switch to private here. Then automatically it's going to enable with you like you see here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.